Hey guys, so this is part 3 of Dad's Best Family.
I know an interesting fact about Viking. All they
She had a bag.
I don't think that is correct.
She's supposed to hear
Nanny,
her.
what happens when the frogs turn back to the
They'll be very confused and maybe a tiny bit annoyed.
When that happens.
Wow,
Ribbit.
look at all those
Ribbit.
frogs. And what's this?
Ribbit.
Sorry about this.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit,
Nanny, why are there still bangs going on in the other rooms?
Well, it's going to happen at some point anyway. So I thought I'd
ribbit,
take a
ribbit,
time
ribbit.
and just turn the whole lot of them into frogs.
All the big people in the museum? You've turned them all into frogs?
That's right. I knew you'd be pleased.
What
Ribbit,
happened?
ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Museum man. He's turned back
Jumping
to
up and down.
Guys,
Yes, and he's
look.
confused and a little bit annoyed. Oh no! All the Vikings are turning back
You're
to
lying.
I'm gonna
This is
show
as good a time as any
the
to leave.
people.
Jumping up and down. With a big splash here and a big splash there. Here splash, there splash, everywhere splash. Jumping up and down.
Why y'all jumping up and down the muddy puddles? I'm going
All in all,
With a
so
big
goes
store.
quickly. We survived, and the museum wasn't
I'm going to the store while y'all whatever you're doing.
You see?
Okay.
Trust the little darling, and they will
Do not
repay your
pat me.
trust.
She's really
Ow!
on her own.
I just jumped in a muddy puddle. So
And
goodbye.
next time, I thought
I'm
we
going
could
to
visit
I'm going to pat him.
Yes, we'll visit a big castle.
Jumping up and down.
Always wanted to live in the times of knights
She's
and
supposed to
armor.
jump on the ladder.
Ow!
Sorry.
Second thoughts.
She can hear her screaming all the way from the
Knights in armor.
supermarket.
Nice and armor. Here and
What happened, ladder? Hey,
Catherine!
what happened, Catherine?
She stepped up my ladder!
Okay, it will be alright when
It's
your
morning.
ladder
I've
takes
got to
this
do my
medicine.
deliveries.
Relax, Mr. Elf. It's early.
Oh, yes.
Now I'm going to the store,
Quiet
so
moments
goodbye.
before the
That's
day
it.
begins.
Yes, it's so lovely
Oh, you know
and
what?
peaceful.
Okay! It was my sorry! Wow!
Elf farm.
That's how it felt when you did it to
That's
me.
around the mountain. Come on, you chickens. Come on, chickens.
Ah! She's
Everything's under control.
she's supposed to fall on me.
Lucky you were still here.
I should have told you I'm heavy.
Oh!
Deliveries. I really am
You heard
late
a
now.
ladder again!
I should have told you I was heavy.
I need a hospital!
Home delivery.
Okay, I guess I'll call an
Late
ambulance.
today?
Hello,
We had a
911.
problem with the chickens this
My
morning.
friend
Chickens,
Catherine
eh?
has
That
broken
reminds
her
me,
ladder,
I really
in her
fancy an
arm.
egg for breakfast.
Please get an ambulance
I didn't
immediately.
bring an egg
Okay,
today.
thank you
No
so
egg?
much.
No problem. I'll
Bon-
just go and get one.
Bon voyage.
Of course.
I'd better come too so I can pick a good egg.
We'll drive back to the chickens.
I fixed
pick up the
breakfast,
egg,
I fixed
drop it
lunch.
on the truck, right
I
back
fixed
here,
breakfast, and I
presto,
fixed
you have your
lunch.
egg, Your Majesty.
I fixed brunch for everybody.
It'd be simpler if I had my own chicken.
She's ready
Then
to
I'd get
do
an
it.
egg in time for
Ow, 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 ow.
Okay.
What's happening to my ladder? What's happening to my ladder?
You want a chicken, do you?
I made brunch.
I was joking.
Yes, ladder 8.
King wants an egg.
Don't you
Darcy,
Catherine
we might
me.
have a problem
Yes,
there.
Catherine.
Chickens
Don't
aren't
you
laid any
Catherine me.
What? Not.
Ow!
You
They picked away.
don't be rude to your mother.
Left is mud.
Look what you did to my
If you want a
wagon.
nice flower
It's
garden,
broken.
don't keep
That's what you get for talking to me like that.
You should show respect
one
to your
little flower
own
left.
daughter.
Well, you don't show respect to me.
I tried to,
like
but
it,
you
little
always
flowers the
ruin it. That's it.
You cheeky
That's
chicken.
it. You know what?
If
I'm
only there
Okay,
was someone
I'm
else
going
that
away
could
for a
live.
day.
Oh,
And you
Daddy said
better
he'd let
not
chickens at the little
misbehave.
castle.
Yes, he did.
I'm going
sort of
to.
say that.
I'm gonna go see.
I want my own
Melissa.
chicken.
No,
It's the
doesn't.
perfect solution. We'll move the chickens
Why
to
not?
the little castle. Okay,
What if-
everyone.
what if
we're
Catherine
moving the
turned all of us
chickens
into
west.
frogs?
Saddle
If she does,
Cause
she's
she
gonna
has,
get.
cause she has her wand.
I'm taking the wine.
Boys, you're
I
moving
took the
chickens. They should
Well,
be
actually,
called chicken
she might.
boys.
I took every single one
Sounds better.
in the
Can I
world.
be a
Please,
cowgirl?
please don't take my wand. I can do everything with it. I just can't turn into everybody to frogs.
Give me that one.
Hey,
Give me that one.
can you give me my wand back, please?
I realised moving chickens was so noisy.
Well, the chickens like noise.
Now I'm gonna change you to a frog. Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Stampede.
They're both in
Ribbit,
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Abracadabra.
This way, this way.
No, I hated that.
That's
Ah!
Now, no more sudden
Ow.
loud noises.
You
That is
just
a
broke your
long,
rabbit
we've got a
ugly.
long journey ahead of us.
Ow. Hey, you just fell on this stupid milk. Ladder freaking ate. Hey, you just fell on the baby's milk.
Now let's see if the baby could do magic. Because it has its little wand.
Look, it's great.
See, look, the baby's milk is
And it's
broken. And I'm taking the twin.
Somehow we have to
Twins,
get
do you
the
want to
chickens
go
to the other
see
side.
Marissa? Yes!
Have you
Too
ever
lazy to
seen
go
a
down.
chicken
I know,
in
I'll
water?
magic. I'll magic.
Abracadabra.
Down, go
Ah!
quack. Look, there's one.
Ribbit, ribbit.
That's
Abracadabra.
whatever. Chickens are
Silly old car
and they
back
don't
to
like
yourself.
swimming.
Oh my
we
God!
do?
Just
We'll use an old cowboy
I go
trick
with
to
you.
everybody
get the
do
chickens
what
to
use
cross.
his wand.
Wait here.
Abracadabra.
The old cowboy trick?
Please.
I don't know, but it's bound to
Abra,
be very
he's gonna
clever.
accidentally
Or
turn
very
his mom into
silly.
a frog.
Probably funny.
Abracadabra.
What did you
Told
do that
He's
for?
dressed as
Oops,
Humpty
I
Dumpty.
meant
Why,
everybody do
Odell?
meant to
Why are
change
you
cat
dressed
into
as an
frog.
egg?
Chickens like to look after.
Abracadabra.
So
Some
if you see one
tea.
floating above
Ah.
water, they'll follow it.
Ow! I just broke my freaking ladder. Ow! 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 Ow!
I'm an egg.
Abracadabra. Silly old plane back to yourself.
Ribbit.
I'm an egg.
Ow! Ow!
Must be one of the
Ow!
most
Ow!
ridiculous things.
That's it.
As
Frog
a thing.
time.
Abracadabra! Abracadabra! Abracadabra!
Ribbit.
Silly old people back to yourself.
When you're an old cow and like me. Oh, what's the matter? Haven't you ever seen a cow in his underpants?
Sorry about that, guys. We're gonna do another goodbye.
Whoa! The chicken's